All right, one of the simplest tools for taking a look at data that you've got collected from a form, like this one here for competitive team sports, is to use the filter tool, which is this tool right up here. So I'm just going to tell it on this first row, I just select that first row and say add a filter to that row. And you notice what it does is put a little drop down menu from each of those column headings. All right, so I can look at this and say, do you play sports seriously? So I can filter that out and take a look and say, right now it's got all three possible options selected, and say I just wanted to look at the people who don't play sports seriously. So I can say clear all of that and just show me the people that don't play sports seriously. And it will go ahead and filter all of that data out. The data is still there, it didn't go away, but it's not showing the other data. You notice the green line there, that's kind of showing that you've got a filter turned on. And so it'll just quickly filter out and show me that data. I can also do multiple filters. So from that one, I can say these are all the people that, do you play sports? No. And then I can say, do you have a favorite team? So people that don't play sports, do they have a favorite team? I can add a filter to that and say I'm looking for people that have a favorite team even though they don't play sports. Show me those people. And I run that filter, and now you can see I've got all the people that don't play sports but they do have a favorite team. So a simple way to kind of filter out your data to get a picture from a large set of data as to what's going on. And you can do that multiple times. I can also come back in and say, well, let's turn one of those filters off just by going and selecting them all again. And it now is showing me just the people who do have favorite teams with no other filter turned on. If you want all your data set back, you just come up here and turn the filter off, and now you've got your whole data set back. So play around with filters and see how it can help you take a closer look at your data.